a great place to play music. Great people, great sound, great stuff.